Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. So the question is an assertion and reason type question. So what does question say? It says that assertion A, if the temperature of a semiconductor is increased, then its resistance decreases. And reason R is given to us. The energy gap between the conduction band and the valence band in a semiconductor is very small. So let us first revise the key concept behind this question. So what are the key concepts behind this question? So first is concept of conduction band, valence band, and energy gap. These three concepts go side by side, hence I have written it in one key concept. And the second key concept is the formula for resistance is given by rho L by A, where L is the length of the material, A is its cross-sectional area, and rho is resistivity. And another key concept is the resistivity is inversely proportional to conductivity. Okay, now I am going to make you understand the conduction band, valence band, and energy gap. Let's check it. So, the conduction band is the band in any material like insulator or conductor or semiconductor, which is responsible for the conduction of current or electrons in it. Here, this is the conduction band and this is the valence band. Valence band is the band in which the valence shell electrons reside. In this case, valence shell electrons reside here, let's suppose. And conduction band has very few electrons. Okay, and the distance between them is called energy gap. Okay, so these are the three things. Now, as given to us in the question, the material is a semiconductor. So, we know that in semiconductor, this energy gap is just about 1 electron volts. Okay, which is quite well lesser as compared to the energy gap in insulators. So, if we apply thermal energy and increase the temperature of the material, the electrons in the valence band capture that thermal energy and become excited and jump from the valence band to the conduction band. Hence, the electrons in conduction band increase and thus the conductivity increase. So, we can write that conductivity denoted by rho is directly proportional to electrons in conduction band, and as temperature, we can also write that electron in conduction band is directly proportional to temperature. Now, in this question, temperature is increasing, hence electron in conduction band will increase and hence conductivity will increase. Now, we also know the concept that resistivity is inversely proportional to conductivity. Now, as conductivity is increasing, resistivity will be decreasing. And we also know the formula that resistance is equal to rho L by A, where L is length and A is area. Hence, this part is a constant. So, we can write resistance is directly proportional to rho. Now, in this question, rho is decreasing, hence resistance will also be decreasing. So, if we increase temperature, we are decreasing rho and eventually decreasing R. So, let us now read the assertion. The assertion is, if the temperature of a semiconductor is increased, which is in our case, then its resistance decreases. Hence, assertion is correct. Now, let's check reason. The energy gap between the conduction band and valence band in a semiconductor is very small. Yes, reason is also correct. Now, we can also understand quite well that the reason completely explains the assertion. Hence, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So, option A, which says both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A, is correct. Let's highlight it here. Hence, A is the correct option to this solution. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.